And of course, we see tariffs. You have the chair of the Federal Reserve, Chairman Powell, who has said that they would have cut rates by now if Donald Trump's tariffs were not going to go into effect. And again, you got Republicans who are sitting here just crowing and how great and wonderful these things are. We saw what happened today with this bill that was passed that's going to be signed into law tomorrow. And we've already had one hospital in Nebraska announce they're going to shut down because of what's happening with Medicaid. And so while they are cheering and proclaiming things are wonderful, we are about to have a serious economic problem.
I mean, the tariffs we talked about, that still just continues to be a huge source of uncertainty. And look, I mean, that connects to why we're not seeing more job growth in private sector. A lot of private sector companies are just saying, we can't move in this environment. We don't know where things are headed. Even if they don't keep all of the tariffs, the increase in certain level of tariffs is going to impact their ability to maybe replace some of their supply, given that we're not seeing the administration pair these tariffs with domestic investment and diversify the types of suppliers that are available. I mean, the big bill, I'm not going to use the term beautiful because, I mean, it's actually offensive to even apply that word to what's going on here. These are really aggressive cuts that are going to hit at the heart of not just people's economic lives, but actually their whole existence and as human beings. With some of the cuts that are happening to healthcare, and that's going to have a big impact too. Premiums likely to go up. We could see further consolidation in the insurance industry. That is never a good thing for bottom line access to healthcare and also controlling costs. And then the immigration. What are they choosing to fund? Choosing to fund ICE to the tune of $46 billion. Well, again, you can take the humanity point at it, and a lot of they said that they're going after people who are criminals, but I think we all have seen now that it's gone way beyond that, including picking up some people who are American citizens and their raids and all of that. Real chilling effect on workers, and then, getting to the economic impact, workers wanting to even show up. A lot of towns at this point, here in Ohio where I am, across the country, the immigrant population is the engine of the economy. And so if we have people, even if they're still here, they're scared to even leave their homes because of some of this ICE funding, well, we're not going to see the amount of labor that's needed to keep up some of our food supply and all of these things. And that could have detrimental effects as well and increase a lot of the costs that we face as consumers down the line.